How to see other people's best friend list on Snapchat. So if you want to find other people's best friend list on Snapchat, then first let's open Snapchat application. Once you've opened, now here in the upper right side, you will have add friend option. Tap on add friend and here you will have your add friend list. So if you scroll down, here you will have your quick add. So you won't have an option to see other people's best friend, but what you can do is like you can simply scroll down, and from here, for example, if you want to find this first person's best friends, then what you can do is you can remove all of the other persons below. So here on the right side you will have a cross icon, right? Tap on the cross icon. You can simply do that with all of the other persons, and once you've done that, you can reload your page. And once you reload, here you will have all of the persons of that first person's best friends. So that's the only way to know some best friends of other person, because without that we don't have any other option. Or you can simply go for the Snapchat support or Snapchat report a problem or submit a request page, and then you can request Snapchat to let you know about the best friends of someone. So that's it. That's the only way to find out, and without that we don't have any other option to see other people's best friend list on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.